Hey friends, this is Atif over Val and welcome to the new update on Santos. On a weekly time frame chart, Santos has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout, we had a nice pump, but the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $3.78, and now it is dropped down at this long-term support of $2.80. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Santos that I shared a few days ago on 9th of November 2023 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 23% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Santos that I shared a few days ago on 9th of November 2023 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD pattern. You can see it was about to enter the buying zone. And by the way, this move was formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar, with Bitcoin pair, not with US dollar pair. You can see that it was about to enter the buying zone, and therefore I told my members that we can wait for some further drop, and once it will be entered within this price range, then we can expect the next price reversal from here. Now, after playing this chart, you can see that the price then dropped more down, completed the leg, and then we had a very, very powerful reversal, and it rallied almost 23%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Santos, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And previously, you can see that it was moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern. We found the support of the wedge here in the month of December 2022, and we found the resistance here in the month of Feb 2023. And since then, it was not able to break out the resistance. You can see we got several ejections by the resistance and also a few touch points at the support as well. Like we had a bounce here, we had three more touch points here and one more touch point here and several touch points at the resistance. And you can see quite obviously it was testing the resistance more than the support. That was a quite clear signal that eventually it can break out. And in fact, this is a bullish bias pattern. And finally, we have broken out the resistance of this wedge after getting squeezed inside this wedge pattern, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of $3.78 that was previously breaking as a support here. And now it is again breaking as a strong resistance. And now price line is about to test this long-term support of $2.80. In fact, this is a complete support zone that starts from $2.80 and goes to $2.58 that has been previously breaking as support here, and very strong support zone here as well. You can see whenever the price line was entering inside this support zone, we were having nice bounces. And same as like that, after testing the support zone here, you can see we had a nice bounce, but got rejected by this resistance. And now we are again about to test the support zone. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern that is here at the top of the wedge, that is between $7.70 to $8. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.